Imagine discovering a life-changing invention by complete accident. That's exactly what happened in the 1940s when a man named Percy Spencer was working with radar equipment during World War II. Percy Spencer was an engineer with no formal education, but his curiosity and talent earned him a job with Raytheon, a defense contractor working on radar technology. Spencer was actually known as a bit of a tech wizard around the office. One day, while he was testing a magnetron, a key part of radar equipment, he felt something strange. A candy bar in his pocket was melting. Intrigued, Spencer decided to investigate further. He quickly realized that it was the microwaves from the radar that had melted his candy. Spencer's curiosity was piqued. He began testing his theory on other food items, first popcorn, which popped right in his hand, and then an egg, which, famously, exploded. This unexpected discovery was the beginning of something truly revolutionary. Spencer and his team quickly realized they could harness this phenomenon to create a new kind of cooking device. By 1947, they'd built the first commercial microwave oven, aptly named the Radar Range, a massive 5-foot-tall machine primarily used in restaurants. It would take a few more years for the microwave to become affordable for home kitchens, but by the 1970s, it had transformed cooking forever. The microwave's quick, easy heating made it an instant favorite, changing how we prepare food, eat, and even live. All thanks to a melted candy bar, Percy Spencer's accidental discovery became a staple in kitchens around the world. Proof that sometimes the best inventions aren't planned. They just happen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fascinating stories from science and history.